Okay, now we'll continue with our next subtopic, sound intensity, 10.3. Okay, intensity means a loudness, is how loud and a sound is, whereas a sound frequency is how high or how low the pitch of the sound is. So you must first understand the difference between the intensity and also the frequency. Frequency is the pitch, how high or low a sound is. Intensity pula adalah loudness. Okay. Alright, by definition, intensity is defined as the power carried by the wave per unit area of a wavefront. So in terms of equation, I is used to associate the symbol intensity is equals to power P over area A. So the power here has a unit of watt and the area here as a unit of meter square. So we'll get the unit for power as watt per meter square. And our intensity here is a scalar quantity. Okay, power is a scalar quantity. Alright, and then sound travels in all directions. So bila kita tengah bercakap, contohlah saya tengah bercakap sekarang, saya punya bunyi akan bergerak ke depan saya, belakang saya, kanan saya, kiri saya, in all direction. So whoever are standing surrounding me can hear my voice because the sound is travelling in all direction. So for an example, kita ambil dekat sini. So ini adalah source of sound saya dekat tengah-tengah sini. So when I speak, everyone can hear my sound. My sound is going to be distributed equally around me. So area that the sound is going to travel here adalah area of sphere. So my intensity here becomes P over 4 pi r square as I'm using the area of sphere. Power pula sama dengan energy over time. Dalam chapter 9 simple harmonic motion, kita ada belajar total energy is equals to half m omega square a square, di mana a dekat sini adalah amplitude. Alright, as you can see dalam equation intensity kita ada a ni adalah area. Dalam equation energy pula kita ada a square ni adalah amplitude. So total energy is directly proportional to the amplitude square here. So kita ada 2a dekat sini, jangan confuse Alright, now I'm going to substitute my E into my I here. So I will get my equation I is equals to power over area, A over T darab dengan area. So this is my area here. So power sekarang adalah energy half m omega square A square. A dekat sini adalah amplitude bahagi dengan T over area saya, area. So from here I can say that my intensity is directly proportional to the amplitude square. Maksudnya bila amplitude saya besar, saya punya area dekat sini pun besar. Intensity saya pun besar. I repeat myself, when the amplitude is higher, my intensity is higher as they are directly proportional, and my intensity is inversely proportional to the area. So as the area decrease, my intensity is going to increase and vice versa. Alright? Okay. M, omega ni semua adalah constant, T pun adalah constant. So benda yang akan ubah ataupun akan affect our intensity adalah amplitude dan area sahaja. So to conclude here, my intensity is directly proportional to the power, and power is equals to energy over time. So my intensity is directly proportional to the energy, total energy. And energy pula sama dengan half m omega square a square. A dekat sini adalah amplitude, therefore I can say that my intensity is directly proportional to amplitude square. Okay, ini adalah amplitude dia. So if I were to have two cases where I have intensity 1 over intensity 2, dia akan sama dengan amplitude 1 square over amplitude 2 square, where my satu dengan satu on the same baris as they are directly proportional. Okay, and then I also have intensity is inversely proportional to the area, as intensity is equal to power over area. So area pula, area of sphere dekat sini adalah 4 pi r square. So saya akan dapat my intensity is actually inversely proportional to the radius square. So as I get further from the source of sound, my intensity is going to decrease. Lagi jauh kita daripada source of sound, lagi kuranglah apa yang kita akan dengar. So as the R increase, the intensity is going to decrease. They are inversely proportional. So bila R berkurang, I akan increase, and bila R meningkat, I saya pula yang akan berkurang. As you get further from the source of sound, your intensity is going to decrease. So from here saya boleh buat relationship that intensity 1 over intensity 2 akan sama dengan area 2 over area 1. Look at the subscript here, because they are inversely proportional. Alright, and then in terms of radius pun sama, they are still inversely proportional. I1 over I2 is equals to R2 square over R1 square. So look at the subscript, be careful. Okay, alright, itu sahaja untuk bahagian sound intensity. This is a very small subtopic and very easy subtopic. Kalau ada apa-apa soalan boleh roger miss lah. That's it. Thank you.